I told you we will see you later. That look, we're making the thing now. Mom, say hi. Her likes to make a lot of videos a lot. They comment below.
Hi.
Well, we're making this movie. The smell,
Fresh juice.
it's really good for your body. It's really good. We even got more. See, we still got it. It's gonna taste so good. I can't believe I want to make this drink. But comment below and go to my videos or go to my TikTok, my mom and my mom and me TikToks, and go to our videos in there, or go to our Instagram. And you guys can comment down below. I'm talking to you. Yeah, you do it. So better comment below.
Comment down below.
So this drink is so good. It's been so good. It didn't even get on the camera. Well, I really like this a lot. So then comment below. Let's taste the video. And my mom down to the top. We'll see you later. This is so good. You see this drink? This drink, it's so good. It's really so good. I can't believe this drink is so good. It's better than that drink. That's really good. I'm gonna drink this a lot. Mom, give me my cup. Well, you're gonna live it. That's what you can do.
Okay.
Guys, comment down below if you like this. This, it's so good. That's so good. Spot right there. Say bye.
Juice. So I'm gonna take this a little bit. Have some ice.
This is
And let's see.
I didn't see it there. I got it. I hope you do that so you don't get
We're going to feel here in that.
with black one.
It's blueberry and raspberry.
It's blueberry with raspberry. It's really good. And I like it so much. I think I'm just gonna sing some for everybody. And don't forget to like that button and subscribe. Comment down below if you like this drink or the popsicles. Comment below if you like the drinks or like the popsicles.